Okay, so hi dear Libra, very very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a no contact reading for all the Libra Sun, Moon, Venus rising from today till the 23rd of March. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, not your story. Want to be a reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions? You can check out the description box. You'll find the links below. For the best healing modality of the whole universe, Ho'oponopono masterclass link is given below, honey. So let's start. Libra, the person that you are in no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see. We have the Eight of Pentacles, the Six of Wands, the Page of Swords. This is someone who feels like putting in the effort and energy to make this situation successful and victorious, but they feel like they should watch you from a distance right now. It's like I feel like I should do something about something, right, with all of my heart and soul and make it work out. But I feel like I should do it from a distance. And how that works, I don't know. How that's it, how okay, fine, yeah, got it. So Libra, stop making me like making me say things that I don't feel comfortable with. Tada, I don't know. So I dealt with the Libra long time ago. So I don't know what makes you and me guys feel like this all the time. So this is somebody around you who feels like making things work out between you and them somehow, but they feel like they should do it from a distance because this is somebody who feels like they should watch you, watch every move of yours, watch what's next in your energies, and then maybe do something about it physically. So they feel like in the virtual world they should do everything with you, but they feel like in the real world they should just keep themselves at a distance. Da. Let's see what this person wants from you. Intentions. We have the Ten of Cups, the Page of King of Wands, sorry, and the Seven of Wands. Ten of Cups, King of Wands, Seven of Wands. They want to like wear their heart on their sleeve and do something about this situation. It's like, okay, let me do something about this situation. I want to create a very beautiful future between me and Libra, but let me do nothing about it. Let me just daydream about it. So they just want to daydream about what can happen, what could happen between you two. You know, the kids, the family, the blah blah blah, the marriage, the commitment. And when it comes to this energy of doing something about it in the real world, they just don't want to. What is happening, Libra? What kind of person you are dealing with? They feel for you, they want you, but they refuse to do anything about it. They're like, nope, let me just daydream about it and do nothing because I'm feeling good in the daydreaming. It's my dreamland. Wow. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the 23rd of March, honey. What's the date today? Wow, it's 19 already. Wow, March is about to get over. We have the Four of Wands, the King of Cups, and the Nine of Wands. My God, Libra, this person, it's there making me do drama today. They have love, they have this energy of wanting commitment, long term partnership, but they're too hurt to do anything about it, so they're refusing to do anything about it, even if they want to. They have feelings, they have intentions, but they don't have the courage, maybe, or they are just creating more and more obstacles deliberately because right now they are not ready to do anything about the situation, even if they feel and even if they want to. That's shady, but they're like, nope, not shady actually. That's funny. That's kind of childish. So it's like in their feelings, in their wants, in their intentions, in their energies, everything is beautiful. Beautiful. But when it comes to taking the action part or doing something about it or doing something positive, they're like, nope, goodbye. Not there. Don't want to. Okay. Libra, good luck. Yeah. So all this situation is giving you chaos and conflict, and that is why maybe I'm feeling the chaos and conflict within myself right now. So it's better to not to participate in this kind of drama, in this kind of chaos, and let it go, Libra. Now, for some of you, you are definitely going to say, "I have let it. I have. This is gone from my life from like very long time ago." Anjali, ha ha ha. This is not my energy anymore. This person is not mine anymore. Ha ha ha. You're watching this video, so you are here for a reason. Energetically, you are still connected. And when I say letting go means energetically letting go, not physically. Physically, 90% of us have done everything possible from our side. The game is all energy games, right? So letting go of them out of your life, out of your system, energetically is equally important, because you're still holding on to them somehow. The cords are still attached. Cut the cords, cut the crap. So thank you so much for tuning in, Libra. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you. Namaste.